Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you how to delete and rename a sheet in Excel. Basically, this video is made for the beginners who are trying to learn how to use Excel. So let's get started. First, we will be learning how to rename a sheet. So the method is we are going to go on the address of the sheet or the name of on the or the current name on the sheet and click right button, and you see a button for rename and press it, and you can type whatever you want. You can name your sheet whatever you want by I'm going to type worksheet 1. And now let's learn how to delete a sheet. Now firstly we have to do go on the address and click right button and press on the delete button. And this that's it for this and that's it for this video guys. I'll be back with another video soon.